We found this beautiful mantle in Amish Country. Loved the detail, didn't love the color or the scratches. So I stripped it down. Was not fun at all. That makes a big mess. Then I used afterwash. That helps clean up some of the mess. And then after that, I got to sanding. Lots of hand sanding. There was so much detail. Definitely questioning my life choices on this one. My fingers hurt. It was not fun, but it was worth it because being able to get that dark out of those detail areas really made a difference. You can see how much taking it off of the top right here makes a difference. I love the raw look of the wood, but it just doesn't go with what's in our house. So I did put a clear coat on, and once that was dry, then we installed it. So you can see here we are putting it in place. We made marks on the wall, and then John cut the baseboard. And then he screwed it into the studs in the wall, and that was it. So here it is. I love how it turned out. It added so much character. The color is perfect for our floors, but now I don't know what to do about this middle part. So help me out. What should I do?